Okay, now the next topic about loops. Okay, what is mean by loop? A loop allows a program to repeat instructions automatically without writing the same code again and again. Suppose in this definition way, we explain one scenario, we better understanding this concept. For example, in daily scenario, there is in every life part there is sleep, fresh up, college, I think every scenario there. This scenario we take the as a loop. Suppose first day we want wake fresh up and go to the college, and college we want to eat some food. After we go to sleep, sleep after again fresh up morning. This is the first day, and again second day fresh up to college, college to eat, eat to sleep, sleep after fresh up. Third day fresh up to college, college to eat to sleep. This is a one loop scenario. So the continuous process, repeating instruction automatically done. This is a short form you write in the code. This is called loop. In this loop, there is a two kinds of loops are there. For loop, while loop. In this for loop and while loop, we discuss now. For loop means repeated for a fixed number of times. What is mean by for loop? Repeats for a fixed number of times. Okay. What is mean by while loop? Repeats while a condition is true. Hmm. This two scenario. Take a one example. Suppose my friend want me to do 5 push-ups. Okay, let's count the push-ups I do in this scenario. One push-up done, two push-up done, three push-up done, four push-up done, five push-up done. So this push-ups be done. So the same scenario done in for loop. Okay, repeated for a fixed number of times. So it the push-up done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The loop will be ended the fifth time. This loop is called as for loop. But about while loops means repeated when a condition is true. Suppose my friend wants me to do push-ups only. I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, and push-ups. But where we need to do stop the loop, we don't know. But I stop any one point of time. This loop is run. Okay, so the while loop takes the number of times is runs, but at the correct condition of if the condition is true only. There is a one condition while loop. The condition is true. The loops were run up to that condition. If condition is false, the loop is handed at that condition. Suppose I want that condition is stop at 99. So stop at 99. It do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the 99th push-up, he stopped the push-ups at the 19th point. This is called for loop and while loop. And I can recall about the for loop and while loop. What is meant by for loop? Repeated for a fixed number of times. Means fixed number of times I give my friend want to do push-ups, only 5 push-ups. It is a fixed number. So it runs only 5 times of a loop. In case of while loop, my friend wants to do push-ups up to 99. 99 is a one condition. It do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 up to 99 condition. The one condition is true. 2, 3, 4, 5. The condition is true up to 99. It do the push-ups. Okay. This is for loop and while loop. We discuss this. And again, that we write the condition also. Suppose the number is 7 into 7, 7 value. 7 into 7 value is 49. It is a one condition. And again, 5 plus 2 is 2 is a one condition. 90 minus 10. 90 minus 10. This is one condition. This condition satisfied up to that loops was the run. It is one as a condition used in the while loop. So this is called this is for loop and while loop. Now we explain through it. What is meant by loop? Execute the same block of code repeatedly. Repeatedly means it continues the process until the condition is satisfied or sequence is completed. Suppose I want to print 100 numbers. Firstly, I print 5 numbers. Print 1, print 2, print 3, print 4, print 5. In this printing the 1 to 5 numbers, it's taking time consuming and storage consuming is more. So by using the loose concept, it reduces the code and time consuming. So what is mean by in this loops concept? There is a two types of loops. Okay, first loop is for loop, and the second loop is while loop. Okay, firstly we learn about the for loop. What is mean by for loop? For loop means it continue in how many times sequentially it runs. They give the condition for this for loop. For example, in the sequence manner we explain now. For example, for once again now for loop syntax. Okay, for variable we assign and in sequence. Sequence means condition how many times it runs it continue this process, and a statement, print statement or anything. Suppose I want to print same code above print 1 to 5 numbers. For example, for I, it is a variable in range between 1 to 6. Okay, 1 is included starting number, 6 means n number we did not include. It to print only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Without including 6, it print only elements 1, 1 to 5 numbers only. Let's see how it prints, how it print the for loop. It designed like that. This is a ident space. It directly takes for loops, for loop and while loop, it is a tab space. For suppose if we directly go this, I enter the tab, it, it takes directly ident space. Okay, the print I value. This I value, it is assigned for the range 1 to 8. Let's check what it print. It print 1 2 3 4 5 is a short code value. I print one, print two, print three, print four, print five. It takes time consuming and time memory consuming. Is simple by using loops concept for I in range 1 to 6 print I. For suppose I want to print 100 numbers. So 100 numbers I want to assign one number. Okay, it prints 100 numbers. Okay, next concept is in for loop there is a range in the same concept of string. It divides I want to print only even numbers. So in this 1 to 10 numbers, I write two difference. Okay, let's see what it print. Okay, it prints from 1 to, so it print all hard number. I want to start with 2. It takes even numbers 2 4 6 8, excluding the 10 value. So for example, I want to print odd numbers from 1 to 10, 1 3 5 7 9. This is a range concept. Start value, stop value, step increment value from the starting point. This is using range concept in the for loop. Next concept is list concept. For example, want to name a list Rohit, Rohit, Mohit. Okay. For example, for in names, print I. Rohit, Mohit. By using for loop, by using for loop through a list. Okay. For example, I want to look through a list. Okay. Next concept is loop through a string. For example, for in, I take directly Python is a string. Now I print I. Sorry, this is, I want to comment this line. Now it print pythoh Python. I also want to print. I want to check is equal to Python by using like this. Let's check once. Same like this. I just print the string value by using loops concept. Sorry, loop using else concept also. Loop with else concept. After using for loop all completed, I want to print suppose for I in range 3 print I else print loop finish. Let's see 0 1 2 3 loop finished. In this for loop concept, I initialize I not initialize I value. It takes sorry, it takes from 0 I value is from 0 print 1 print 2 print, or for range is 3 only. It only print 0 1 2. For loop is completed, then go to the else case. It print loop finish, so it print only 0 1 2 loop finish in this case. Okay, this is for loop concept. Now I go for while loop. Okay, in this while loop, when the number of iteration is unknown. In this case, for loop, the condition is known for a range 1 to 5. It is known, but in this while loop condition, the number of iteration is unknown. So while condition statement. This is syntax for the while loop. Same concept, by using I print 1 to 5 numbers by same concept used in this case. I initialize I is equal to 1, while condition I greater than or equal to 5. Okay, print I. Let's see how it print. Now I want to increment this value, otherwise print only 1 1 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's see how it works by using for while loop. Let's see. In the condition, one value is I val. Let's see, I value condition output generate. I value I take I this condition while I 1 greater than or equal to 5. 1 greater than or equal to 5 is true. Okay. The output is 1. The next I plus is equal to 1. So the increment I 1 plus 1, 2 value. It takes I is next value is 2. 2 greater than or equal to 5. It also true. Output 2. The next increment 3. 3 greater than or equal to 5. Output 3. Next value 4. 4 greater than or equal to 5. True. Output is 4. Next 5 greater than or equal to 5. True. Output is 5. Next 6 false. Stop for this case. Okay. This is while loop. While loop runs in this. Okay. Next concept for the while loop. Same I using while using else case. While with else. For example, I is equal to 1. While condition I greater than or equal to 3. Print I plus or equal to 1. Else loop completed. Let's see how it works. 1, 2, 3. Uh, loop completed. It print else case. loop loop completed. 1 second. Okay, this is else using in while loop. Okay, next topic is print even numbers using while loop. In this condition, there is I start with 2. So while condition I is greater than or equal to some 10 numbers. Print I I I increase two numbers, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, like that it continues. So it increments to 2 numbers. It will give output 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, like that it prints. Next one is while loop using break statement. Break statement means the loop the loop is under that condition. Okay, so suppose I want to print I is equal to start from 1 while I is greater than or equal to 5. Suppose in this condition, if x is I is equal to 3, it break. Okay, print I increment is equal to 1. Let's see how it prints. I now expect 1 2 3 breaks. It takes high value 1. It goes in while loop. I is greater than or equal to 5. I is not equal to 3. So print I value I plus is equal to 1. And it goes to I plus is equal to 1 means I increments high value now 2. 2 is greater than or equal to Sorry, 2 is less than or equal to 5, 2 is not equal to 3, so print I value is 2, so it print I2. The next I increments 3, I is equal to now 3, 3 less than or equal to 5, 3 is equal to 3. If condition true, so we break the condition, break the while loop. The loop is ended in this condition. So while loop break. Sorry. So break statement is used in this while loop like that. And continuous. Suppose I want to exit only three number. I want to print 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Let's see. I is equal to 5. In the place of break statement, I use continue. It skip that value and it continue that remaining value process. Remaining loop condition. Print I plus equal to 1. Let's see how it runs the loop. Sorry, I take I value 1. Oh, give the correct answer. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5. I start from I is equal to 0. In this increment process, I start while if condition continue, and now increment process is difficult. So I increment I plus is equal to 1 in the while loop starting. So I is equal to less than or equal to 5. If equal to it becomes high value runs the process. I again it show I show like that. It print the 6 value. This is continue. The next is using by input value taken from the while loop. Suppose sum is equal to int input under a value. Now while greater than or equal to 10, print value is value is greater than 10. Let's see how it runs the code. Suppose I enter 1000, sorry, 100. Sorry. It is a while condition. So I want to did not write this condition like that. Sorry. Suppose num is not equals to 0. I want to print enter value is num. Now num is equal to int input enter value. So this while loop continues. It I enter 9 value. It show like that. So this is input taken from the while. I skip this one concept in further for loop. Now we discuss for loop using break statement. Okay. For I in range from 1 to 6. So if I is equal to 3, I suppose break the statement. Print I. Okay, let's see how it will output. It print 1 2. Suppose let's see. I want to print 5 break statements. 1 2 3 4. To print 1 2 3 4 5 break. I did not print the 5 value. The loop ended at 5. Okay, next one is continue. Same in place for I in range 1 comma 6. If I is now equal to 4, continue, print I, and print 1 2 3 4 skip 5 up to 5. This is for loop concept, for loop and while loop concept. Now next topic is about do while loop. Once again, this is concept for loop and while loop. Okay. Now we discuss about some examples there regarding for loop and while loop. So the first sum is sum of first numbers. Let's do it for this. Sum of first and national numbers. Suppose I want to uh, int input enter n value. So initial total is equal to regard initial value total is equal to 0 for this for loop I in range from 1 to n plus 1. Total plus is equal to I value last I want to print sum is equal to total. Sorry. Okay. Sum is equal to total. Let's see how it works. So I want to enter n value up to 10. In total sum value from 1 to 10 is 55. Suppose I want to say I want to enter 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 4 10. 1 plus from n value some value is 10. Okay. This is sum of first natural numbers. First and natural numbers. The next one is factorial of a number. Next question. Okay. Factorial of a number. Same as I take input from the user. And I need to copy this. And a number. Let's take fact is equal to 1. From per I in range 1 to n plus 1. Fact into I. Lastly print. How it works? Let's explain. From the starting value, fact is equal to I enter from n value is 5. Firstly, it into fact value is 1, 1 into 1, 2. As 1 into 1, 1. The next value, I value is 2. Fact becomes 1, 1 into 2, 2. The next I value is 3. Fact becomes 2, 2 into 3, 6. The fact value becomes 4. Sorry. I confused, a little confused. The starting fact value is 1. Range is starting from 1, 1 into 1, 1. I value becomes increment. I value next is 2. So fact value 1, 1 into 2, 2. The next I value is 3. Fact value now 2, 2 into 3, 6. I value is 4. Fact value is 4. 2 into 3, 6. Because 6 value, 6 into 4, 6 4 is 24. 6, 24. Now I value is 5. Like that, it increments. I want to enter 5. Factorial 20. Now let's explain this sum. I value is equal to 1. Fact value is equal to 1. Fact into I 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Like that, it increments. I value is equal to fact value is equal to 1, fact into I. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2. I is equal to 3. Fact value is equal to 2 into 3. It becomes 6. Next, I value is equal to 4. Fact value is equal to 6. 6 into 4. It becomes 24. I is equal to 5. Fact value is equal to 24. 24 into 24 into 5. It becomes 120. Like that, factorial sum is using this. This is factorial of a number. The sum is count even numbers in a list. Suppose I take num list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's count value is 0 initialize for n in number if condition n divided by 2 equal to 0, print and value. Sorry, I only print the count value. So count plus is equal to 1, print even number count కాబట్టి even count is equal to count. Let's see what is good output. Even count is 4. In this one enters num in the list condition. Firstly enters n value is 1. 1 divided by 2, remainder is not equal to 0. So is not, and again loop continue. 2 divided by 2, remainder is 0. Count value becomes 1. 3 not equals to 0. 4 remainder is 0. Count value 2. 5 not equals to 0. 6 equal to 0. Count value becomes 3. 6 not equals to 0. Sorry. 7 not equal to 0. 8 it's 0. Count value becomes 4. 9 not equals to 0. So even count number is becomes 9. Sorry 4. Next problem is reverse a string. In this condition, suppose sorry s is a variable, take input enter a string, enter string, same concept. Sorry, I want to enter reverse a string. I want to give Python, it give n o h t like that. Suppose I want to enter Python. For the reverse order, I take one empty string reverse for this for loop. For str in s. So reverse is equal to str plus reverse. Okay, now print reverse. Now see how it print. I Python it print and OSTYP. Okay, this is reverse string concept. Next one is check the it is a prime number or it is a prime number or anything. Sorry, and now check the pattern printing like star, 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 star. Like that. I want to print pattern printing. Okay, let's give an input. Enter the value for in range from 1 to n plus 1. So print star into I times. Suppose I want to enter 6, print. Oh, sorry, it takes string value. So I want to give input as a into value 6 and to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows as a 1, 2, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4, 4 stars, 5, 5 stars, 6 stars. This is for loop examples. Now we explain about while loop examples. Okay. We will discuss some of the digits of the number by using while loop. Let's take n is equal to int input, enter a value. That's a demo. Total is equal to 0. While n is greater than 0, condition digit this condition sum of digits of a number. I give you a number 1, 2, 3. So it print it it sum the that sorry once I want to okay. Let's what is this sum? I want to give a input number n is equal to 1 2 3. I want to sum this digits 1 plus 2 2 plus 3. Suppose I want to give 4 5 6 number 4 plus 5 5 plus 6 like that. I want to print the total of the this digit the number in the by using while condition. Suppose I want to take digit is equal to n divided by 10. It give the last number total plus equal to digit. Now take the n divided by is equal to 10. I explain how it works. Let's see how that how it works. Let's go. I want to give the number 1 2 3. It give the digit of the sum is 6. Let's see how it works. Suppose I want to enter 1 2 3 number. It go to the 1 2 3 is greater than equal to 0. It's true. The digit value is equal to digit value is equal to 10 is divided by 10. So 10 is divided by 1 2 3. 1 1 0 10 remainder 2 then as well 3 and 2 0 it becomes 20 remainder 3. So like that and modulus 10 is equal to remainder value is 3. So digit and becomes 3. Total initial value is 0. 0 plus 3. 3 is equal to 3. Now n is divided by 10 means what? So let's explain this. Suppose 1 2 3 2 times. This is 1 divided by 2. The quotient value I want this print. Suppose 10 12s are 120. The remainder is 3. 12 is the quotient. This is this value. 3 is the remainder for this value. Okay. I'm really understood this process. This is sum of digits of a number. Next question is reverse a number. Reverse a number. Let's take n as input value. The next reverse value is equal to 0. Using while condition n is greater than equal to 0. Digit equal to n divided by 10. Same process we apply for this. In this condition, reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus digit. Now, and divided by 10. Print reverse value. Let's see how this value reverse. It becomes something 1 minute. Okay. Enter the value 1, 2, 3. Give directly answer 3, 2, 1. I did a mistake. I did not put the value is equal to same process. How it works? Let's explain in this scenario. Digit becomes a reminder. I suppose I want to enter 1, 2, 3 value. Reminder becomes 3. Okay. Rev into reverse value into 10 plus digit. In this process, reverse value I initialize 0. So 0 into 10 plus 3. It becomes 3. Okay. And next n divided by quotient value become 12. The digit value next digit is same process. Revision is equal to next one is 3. 3 into 10 plus 2. It becomes 32. Okay. The next digit value is 1. Rev is equal to 32 into 32 into 10 plus 1 becomes 3 to 1. That's why this process, this reverse a string, reverse a number is possible. Okay. The next topic is palindrome. Palindrome number. Okay. Palindrome number means suppose I want to enter. Let's explain what is a palindrome number. For example, I enter 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1. It reverses the number. Same, it reverses the number. It will also print 1, 2, 2, 1. The same as reverse value and exact value is same. This is called palindrome number. Let's see how it works. Let's copy this. Okay. Let's take rev is equal to 0. Let's take one temp is equal to 1 value. Temp is equal to 0. Suppose while is n is greater than or equal to 0. Same code written in the above. Digit is equal to and divided when modulus 10, RAV is equal to RAV into 10 plus digit, the next, sorry, and divided and remainder is equal to, and quotient is equal to 10. This is some process. The next, if so temp is equal to m, last one, not a problem. N equal to digit. Suppose is true, print it is a palindrome. Else not a. Let's see how it works. I explained same reverse process. Let's check the initial value and the reverse value. It is a palindrome or not. Let's see 1 2 1. Not a palindrome. How it works. Sorry, something is what are I check. In this, I did a mistake in this. This is the value. Okay, okay. Okay. By using n value, it directly takes the last value. So I give a some temp value. Measure this. Temp is equal to n. So let's run this code. I enter 1 to 1. I give the palindrome. This is palindrome condition. Same as above reverse value. This is a palindrome number. This is some example for loop and while loop. Okay. This is completed this concept, loops concept completed.